Hey guys, what's going on? Well, been kind of quiet and wanted to show you this beautiful pearl, mother of pearl, Batwing Swinguard. By Renzo Poscotto and Lucio DiBon. This has a Dagger Grind to it, and it's just stunning. I wanted a mother of pearl. This is Macarta, I believe what it's called, as the backing. Fires so hard. Thank you so very much, Lucio and Renzo Poscotto and Lucio DiBon. Thank you so very much. I'll try and do a video of them all together. Batwing Swinguard and Mother of Pearl. Dagger Grind, nickel silver bolsters, 13 ounces, an ounce an inch. Take it easy, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep collecting. Thank you, Lucio, again, and Renzo. Man, beautiful. Take it easy, guys. Later on.